This frying pan does not require you putting oil if you want to fry anything like meats, egg, fish, plantains, and much more. It is called Kardli Ilife frying pan. You can see as we fry meats with the green leaf Kardli frying pan with no oil at all. It is good for your health. Order for your own now. It is available in our store. Contact details is in the description below. Or call 083-582-1472, or 070173341111 again, 083-582-1472, or 070173341111. Subscribe Omodassygreenleaf now for more product updates. Thank you.